Aspermia is a complication associated with seminal volume that can sometimes be considered quite serious. In this particular case, the man is unable to expel any fluid during the ejaculation. It would be necessary to find the cause of this alteration. This procedure would serve to verify if there is any production of sperm cells within the testicles. The two main causes of aspermia are the following. Retroejaculation. Instead of being expelled externally, the ejaculate flows into the bladder. And on the other hand, the obstruction or absence of the ejaculatory ducts. It is important to keep in mind that aspermia is not the same thing as azoospermia. In the case of aspermia, there is no seminal volume. In the case of azoospermia, ejaculate volume is produced, but there are no spermatozoa present within the fluid.